You're not gonna catch it with your camera. It's $1 million shot, Dad. Okay. I'm just, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful right now, babe. Look outside. I hope the skull gets struck or something. Whoa, that was a big one. Hello? I know, it's because I'm outside and I'm watching the lightning and I'm pretty far from the house. It's really cool right now, babe. Babe. You should go outside and look at this. So am I, but I mean it's beautiful. It got way too hot today. Whoa! Oh my god, that actually hurt my eyes. No, this is so cool. I wanna see the high school get struck though. Yeah. No, they wouldn't send us this. Whoa!
I got that one.
That seems like it was like right in front of me, Dad. I could have sworn that there was lightning like right in front of me, babe. It's because I'm outside, I'm sorry. Dude, I'm totally gonna okay. Whoa!
I got that one too.
What was that?
Get back next to the trailer, Tyler.
I'm trying to get my cat to come inside. Baby. Yeah. I want my kitty. Yeah. I have to get... Come on, you're going inside. I don't trust you outside. No. Here comes the rain. Oh, that one was crazy. Whoa. I haven't seen this much of a lightning in forever. And to get it in spring.
We're going to get one above us here real shortly.
Probably. Whoa. Katie, they're probably like hiding. They're probably in Max's room. How do you know? Whoa! That was a long lightning bolt. That's crazy. Babe, I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up. Are you gonna look? Whoa! That was a huge one. Hold on, you'll see it. Wait. Yeah, that's my face. What? It's getting bad. I don't know why you can't see anything. Can you see the light? Yeah. Okay. So you'll see a big one. Did you see the flash? Oh, babe, you left right. You left
Here
right.
comes a big one right in front of us.
Babe, wait. Come on. Come back. Oh, you missed. Did you see it? I actually caught that one. We're just leaning up against my house too. Just Sam's crying right now. Like, she's terrified of thunder and lightning.
There we go again. Another big one.
What? Babe.
Right over our heads.
I can't hear you. Babe? What's wrong? Oh, okay. Babe, watch, there's gonna be another big one, I can hear it. Did you see it? Babe? Hello? Babe, did you hear me? Just want me to call you back in a little bit? Yeah? Okay, I love you. Now I can actually leave. Because...
Here comes boom.
That is it on our motion light.
Yeah.
Whoa! I just caught that! That's amazing. Can you imagine the valley right now?
One more real good one, then I'll go back and I'll go in.
And I want to get like a really good one with like the whole sky. That'd be amazing.
That was it. Let's go.
That was